Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a bit controversial: rebellion in children. You know, many parents often say their kids go through this, like, difficult rebellious phase, right? But what does rebellion really mean? Is it just about refusing to drink water or wear warm clothes? I mean, it's so much deeper than that.
Oh, wow, that's really interesting. So, like, when you say it's deeper, do you mean it's more about the emotional side of things? I mean, I always thought rebellion was just kids being, difficult.
Exactly. It's crucial to consider the definition of rebellion. Parents often see disobedience as rebellion, but why should children always listen to their parents? I mean, think about it. Some parents lead these unhappy lives filled with complaints, anxiety, and guilt, yet they expect their children to follow their instructions without question.
That's a bit of a mind bender. So are you saying that sometimes parents are more focused on their own comfort than on their child's growth?
Absolutely. For instance, when a parent insists that a child wear warm clothes, it may be more about the parent's needs than the child's actual needs. It's like projecting their own fears onto the child.
Oh, I see. So it's like when my friend's mom used to make her wear a jacket in the summer because she was always cold, even though my friend was totally fine.
Exactly. As children grow, their needs differ from those of adults. Forcing them to conform to adult expectations can really hinder their development. This can lead to a psychological phenomenon known as symbiotic strangulation. It's a term that describes when a child feels they cannot grow independently because they're too tied to their parents' needs.
Whoa, symbiotic strangulation. That sounds intense. So, what age is this most critical?
The best time for a symbiotic relationship is from birth to age 3. After that, if parents continue to impose their needs on their children, it can be detrimental. Children may struggle with self-harm as they feel trapped and unable to express themselves.
Oh man, that's really sad to think about. So it's like they're stuck in this cycle?
Exactly. In psychology, there's a saying that reflects this issue. There is a kind of coldness that comes from parents believing their child is cold. This indicates a lack of separation between the parent's issues and the child's needs.
That's really profound. So if parents can't separate their own challenges from their child's, does that mean the child may never achieve independence?
Yes. Ultimately, while love aims to bring people together, the love between parent and child should lead to healthy separation. It's about nurturing independence, not stifling it.
Wow, that's a lot to unpack. So how can parents start to recognize this in their own behavior?
Great question. The first step is self-reflection. Parents need to ask themselves if their actions are truly in the best interest of their child or if they're driven by their own fears and insecurities.
That makes sense. So it's like they need to do some soul searching before they can help their kids grow, right?